Hey guys, welcome back to another video and sorry for not uploading for maybe 3 days. I was busy. I'm not pursuing YouTube full time. I'm never free. I get very less free time. So let's get to the point. Here it is, the HTML tutorial 2, I think. Okay, so last time we left here. Okay, so wait, I added this button just for practice. Hmm. Okay, so last time we left here, we added text, we added color to text, we added a BR tag so that it breaks the line, and then we added an image. Okay, so last time we left here. Now I will teach you how to add links to your website. Okay, so links are what? Simple. You can go to a site where they say, like Wikipedia, sometimes they ask for donations, so they say donate 40 rupees, so that is a link. Okay, and like YouTube, in YouTube, in description you find YouTube video description, you many in many videos you find some links. Okay, sorry for my bad English, I'm just a student of 8th class. Okay, so there you find the links. So let's get to the point. So also I will teach you how to change this world looking icon to something like your own. We will change it to this image. Okay, so by default it is this. We will learn how to change it. Done. Now let's see then. uh, to add links we use the a tag. Okay, a tag is used, and for closing, as always, forward slash a. Then for adding the link, like you write www.youtube.com, you give the words in text that visit YouTube, and the link you add, that is added by the href attribute. Okay, so https youtube.com. Maybe we should write www.youtube.com. It is fine without it, but still, let's be formal. Done. Then after that, you write here visit YouTube. So this is the text that will come here, and then this is for closing the a tag so that it doesn't make it all the rest of the text like link only. So this is for closing. Now let's save it and refresh it. Here it is, visit YouTube. Wait, I should change my body color because it is not looking good. This link is not coming. mm, Yellow is okay. Alright, so then let's refresh it. Done. And then here visit YouTube. Let's open the link in another tab. Here it is. You can go to YouTube, and the link youtube.com was provided right over here. Okay, so this is how to add a simple link. Then we can format these texts like whatever you like. I'll add font size 10, and then we will close this also, slash font. Yeah, done. And then see, you can format it like this. Okay, so this is how to add links to your website if you want to get donations like the Wikipedia, or you can also get you can also add some simple links if you want. Okay, so in some sites you must have seen that they add buttons over there. They don't add links, simple, these links they don't add, they add buttons and it looks more attractive. Okay, so for adding buttons, what we do is, uh, let's close it. Mm, then we will write input. So input is simply it is a tag for receiving inputs. Then the attribute will be type. Maybe I should write submit. Placeholder, so that there comes it. I mean, there comes the text. So ggggg. Then we will close the tag. Let's refresh this up. Oh, I didn't save it. Let's refresh it. Here it is. You can see um, it is coming button over here, but wait. Uh, Button, and here maybe I will write value. I also forgot a little bit. I'm just a student. I again repeat. Yeah, now it is okay. Value it is coming now. But if we click this button, nothing happens. As you can see, nothing happens. So for that, we will add windows dot location equals, now this one, okay, this one, inverted comma, href equals, wait, maybe I think it is like this. We will check it afterwards. Then the st ttps youtube.com. Okay, so let's check it. I don't know if it would work or not. No, it doesn't work. Maybe I should add this thing over here. Again, doesn't work. Let me stop this video. I'll resume. I'll come back to you. Yeah, so I'm back. I just gave a quick search for it, and I found out that it is not like this. I just have to remove this. It is like this, but there is something like, we will type on click equals location dot href. I hope it works. I found out there windows dot location dot href, but that would be very much long, so I thought let's make it short if it would work. youtube.com. Okay, done. Let's hope it works. What happened, friends? Oh, yeah. Done. Now simple mistake, it will remove that whole thing. So yeah, it works. Okay, now it works. And I don't know why I can not drag it, but no problem, we can just, oh, we cannot, no problem. It is now it acts like a link. So this button now acts like a link. But you may be thinking that this button is not looking attractive at all. It is just like gray background, maybe white, whatever, gray white. Then all it is gray or white background, then just simple border. Okay, so in many sites you may see that they make so much attractive buttons. So that thing we will run in the next video, how to make those buttons attractive. For that we don't use for making those buttons we don't use input, this, what do we say, tag, input tag we don't use. For that purpose we use a tag, and upside we write, maybe style, yeah, style tag. Here, before closing the head, we write style tag and we write the styles for the button we want, and we specify the class. In the a tag we write that class over there and it works like magic. Done. Then I also told you that I will make it, I mean, this I will teach you how to make it over here. Okay, I cannot say how to make it. Okay, so for that we use, here we write link rel shortcut icon. Okay, so it is like this. And then what was the next attribute? Wait, let me again come back to you. Sorry, I learned this just some days ago, so I know it properly. So no problem, I will get back to you. So it was simple. What I thought was we are taking another attribute, but it is simple. Uh, we just take href attribute. So the href attribute, wait, let me see what file name is this. Download.jpg. Okay, so here we will write in the href attribute download.jpg. Okay, so here comes our shortcut. Let me see if it works. uh, I don't know why this doesn't work. It should have it should work. Wait. Yeah. I didn't have, I wrote here slash, so it didn't work, but now it works. See, you can see here, over here you can see a bowl is coming. Okay, this one Maggie bowl, it is coming. So uh, this is it for this video. And this video was not at all good, I know, but still I have to post videos into my channel, otherwise people will unsubscribe, dislike and all. They will say that why aren't you uploading videos, you shouldn't even make a YouTube channel. So sorry for making such a bad video, and sorry for not uploading at time. So this is it for this video, and the next videos are coming maybe today or tomorrow, so wait for that. And for today, thanks, bye bye.